Alright, we have already studied that when the force has been applied, okay, either a body that has been pivoted would move in a clockwise direction or in an anti-clockwise direction. If it moves in a clockwise direction, as per convention, we'll take it as negative, and if it moves in a positive direction, if it moves in an anti-clockwise direction, we'll take it as positive. Okay. Now, clockwise direction will produce an inward torque, that is, the body will move inside, whereas an anti-clockwise torque will produce an outward motion. Okay. The example we did was screw. Okay. If we'll screw it clockwise, okay, in this direction, it will go inside. It will be inwards. And if you want to remove the screw, you move it anti-clockwise, it will come out. All right. Now, after the motion, we'll discuss now about the direction of rotation of pivoted body. Okay. So what will be the direction of the pivoted body, or on what factors it depends on? Okay. So on what factors does the direction of rotation of a pivoted body depends? Okay. So there are two factors on which it depends. One is the point of application of force, where you are applying the force. Okay, and the second one is the direction of force, in which direction the force has been applied. So let's see the first one, the point of application of force. So suppose there is the circular body that's been pivoted at the center, say for example a steering. Okay, if there's a force that has been applied over here at the top of it, in that case it will perform a clockwise motion. Okay, and if the force has been applied at the bottom of it, it will perform an anti-clockwise motion. Now just remember, both the forces have been applied in same direction. Okay, so direction of force has not changed. This force has been applied in this direction. Again, this force has been applied in this direction. Only the point where you are applying the force is different. So it depends upon where you are applying the force. Second is the direction of force. Okay, if the force has been applied in this direction, the body will perform a clockwise motion, and if the direction is changing, if it is in the opposite direction, okay, it will perform an anti-clockwise motion. So here the direction is changing, it is an opposite direction. Okay, this is over here in this direction, this is in opposite direction, hence the direction of rotation is also changing. Okay, so these are the two factors on which it depends. Examples will take just for torque. Okay, so example is this hand floor. Okay, so here the body has been pivoted over here in the center, okay, where you put the cranes, and this is the handle. So this is the perpendicular distance. Okay, so this is the distance. So we have studied torque is equal to force into distance. So whatever the force has been applied in this direction or in this direction, okay, and this is the distance. Okay, that will give us the resultant torque. What is the torque that has been generated? Okay, yeah, another example would be this spanner or wrench. Okay, so there's been force has been applied. Okay, the force has been applied in this direction, and this is the distance. Okay, so again for torque, force into distance, and that will give us how much is the torque that has been generated. Okay, how much is the rotation that has been produced over here. All right, that's it. Thank you.